ducks, ducks, and more ducks. But not the quacking kind. The phrase, get your ducks in a row, means to get organized, to line up your tasks and priorities neatly. Imagine little ducks all lined up perfectly. That's the idea. But where did it come from, and do we have an origin for this phrase? Some say it hails from the carnival world, where games often involved knocking down ducks in a precise order. Another theory suggests it's from the mother duck leading her ducklings in a straight line, ensuring everyone's safe and accounted for. Either way, it appears to have started in the United States during the 1900s, but the exact origin is unknown. So, next time someone tells you to get your ducks in a row, just know they're nudging you to get everything under control. No waterfowl required. So, ready to line up your ducks? If you enjoyed this, please give it a like. If you don't understand what sarcasm is, give the video on your screen a click. Otherwise, this is Know Your English saying, get organized and quack on. And we will see you in the next one.